Okay, so we're nearing the end. This is question 5 for assignment 2. So this one we have 2 houses are being advertised. The larger house is advertised to be 2,100 square feet with 29,400 cubic feet of space. The smaller 2 houses advertised to be 1,200 square feet. Assuming the houses are approximately proportional in shape, determine the volume of the smaller house. And this may not be the most realistic question because if area is reduced doesn't necessarily mean volume is reduced. But maybe the bigger house had high ceilings and this other one is proportionally smaller ceilings. Whatever, let's go with this question. So we have areas. So what we can compare, we can't actually find volume right now because we're only given one of them. So we need to find the volume, we need to find the k cubed. That's basically what we're trying to find. What is k cubed? Because if we know that 1,200, if we know that 1,200 square feet, sorry, not square feet. If we know that that 29,400 cubic feet, if we know that's the size of the one, if we multiply it by k cubed, we'll get the volume of the other one. Okay? But we need to find k cubed. What we can't compare is the area. So when we compare the area, what we have to recognize is area is k squared. So you say, okay, k squared, if we compare the two, is one of them is 2,100 feet. The other one is 1,200 feet squared. If we divide these two together, so 21 divided by 12, we get 1.75. So this is our k squared factor. To find volume, we need to find k cubed. So just do a little bit of mathematical manipulation. So if we take our k squared, and first square root it, we'll cancel out that square part. So the square root will get rid of the square. Square root will cancel with the square. So you go, the square root of 1.75 is equal to 1.322875656, so on, so on, so on. So basically what this means is if on one floor plan was like a 10 feet by 10 feet, this is the top view, the larger house would be 10 feet multiplied by that 1.3, so 13.23 feet by 13.23 feet. So we get more space in the bigger one by a factor of 1.3228. But this question is not asking us how much bigger in length or smaller in length, asking us how much bigger or smaller in volume. So now we're going to cube this value. If we cube this, k cubed becomes 2.315. So the volume multiplier is 2.315. So we actually know the volume of the bigger house. We're trying to find the volume of the smaller house. So I'm going to take this 2,9,400 cubic feet, and we're actually going to divide by that k factor I found, because we found the k factor in the opposite direction. So I'm going to divide it by 2.315. So 2,9,400 divided by that k factor we found, and we get a volume of about 12,700 feet cube, which is our final answer.